Welcome to Financial Market Insights for Traders, the show where we equip you with the knowledge, mindset, and tools you need to navigate today's markets like a pro. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're diving into something every trader, new or seasoned, absolutely must understand: your toolkit. Not just your laptop or a trading account, but the full array of tools that power your decisions, your edge, and ultimately, your profitability. To bring this to life, I'm walking you through a day in the life of Alex Tran, a full-time trader with years of experience. We're going to break down the exact tools he uses, from news feeds to scanners to journaling software, and I promise you'll walk away knowing what belongs in your trading arsenal. So let's jump right in. Every trading day for Alex starts the same way, with news. Before looking at a chart or setting up an order, he opens Benzinga Pro and Bloomberg Terminal. These aren't your standard news sites. Benzinga is built for traders, fast-moving, concise headlines with real-time market alerts. Bloomberg, as you probably know, is the gold standard for in-depth financial reporting. Alex says if you're serious about trading, you need news that is both reliable and fast. It's not about reacting, it's about anticipating. And for that, headline speed matters. He also pulls up Twitter, but not randomly scrolling. He has curated finance lists with credible sources. These Twitter lists capture chatter before it hits the big sites. And if he's tracking global sentiment, he'll scan Reuters. For deeper dives into stocks or ETFs with sharp commentary, Seeking Alpha rounds out his morning. Now, after the news run, it's time for charts. Alex uses TradingView for charting. It's flexible, visually clean, and great for drawing trend lines, Fibonacci levels, and price action setups. But when he needs a heavier technical setup, especially for algorithmic trading or automated testing, he turns to MetaTrader 5. That platform offers a deeper level of data granularity, custom indicators, and backtesting capabilities. And let me drop a little nugget here. If you're a beginner wondering about the best trading platform for beginners 2025, Alex recommends starting with TradingView or Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. Both are intuitive and packed with learning potential. Thinkorswim even includes built-in paper trading. Alex doesn't rely on just charts and news. He builds his daily watch list using scanners. His main ones? Finviz Elite and Trade Ideas. Finviz gives him the ability to filter based on dozens of criteria, like price, volume, market cap, and technical setups. It's lightweight, fast, and gets the job done. Trade Ideas is next level. It uses AI to detect unusual market activity, like volume spikes or breakout patterns. He even has different scanners saved for different times of the day. One for pre-market gappers, another for RSI anomalies, and another for earnings volatility. This way, he doesn't waste time during the open. He just executes. If you're just getting started and looking for trading tools for beginners, Alex suggests simpler options like Market Chameleon or the Yahoo Finance Screener. You can begin by filtering on just price and volume, and work your way up as your strategy matures. So with his watch list ready, next comes execution. Alex doesn't rely on just one broker. He splits trades between Interactive Brokers and Tastyworks. IB is a top pick for traders who use APIs or do algorithmic trading. The commissions are low, and the execution speed is excellent. Tastyworks, on the other hand, is built for options traders. If you like a more visual and intuitive interface for trading complex option spreads, it's a great pick. Let's talk global for a moment. If you're outside the US and searching for the best stock trading app in Europe, Alex points to DeGiro or Saxo Bank. Both are regulated and have wide access to global markets. In the US, newer traders often go for Robinhood due to its simplicity, but it comes with limitations like poor execution quality and lack of advanced tools. In the crypto space, Alex still recommends Coinbase for US-based traders, but he also uses Kraken and Binance for lower fees and broader token access. Especially if you're beyond just Bitcoin and Ethereum, those platforms offer more depth. Before any real money enters the market, Alex tests everything in simulation. Paper trading is his sandbox. His top paper trading platforms, TradingView and Webull, both let you simulate trades with real-time data. It's where he gets to make mistakes, test new strategies and refine execution without risking a cent. He often hears new traders dismiss paper trading, saying it doesn't reflect the real emotions of trading with money. But here's the truth, it's not just about emotion, it's about consistency and setup execution. Once that's solid, the emotional piece becomes more manageable. Now, let's move on to something that many traders ignore: journaling and analysis. Alex logs every trade in TraderSync. He tracks the setup, the emotions, the entry, the exit, and the outcome. Then once a month, he reviews everything. He also exports data into Excel to run statistical summaries and isolate patterns. What's working? What's not? Where did emotion creep in? He color codes his trades, uses emojis to track emotion, and sets up performance dashboards to make it easy to spot behavioral flaws. If you want to grow as a trader, you absolutely need to reflect. As Alex puts it, trading without a journal is like trying to lose weight without tracking your diet. Now for the underrated tools. There are a few that Alex swears by. One is an economic calendar. He checks Forex Factory and Earnings Whispers every day. These help him know when economic data is due out: Fed announcements, inflation figures, job reports. Missing that can wreck a trade. Another is Notion. Yep, that's right, not a trading app per se, but an organization tool. Alex has a full dashboard inside Notion with daily routines, goals, watch lists, checklist flows, and post-trade notes. It's his personal control panel. And let's not forget community. Alex spends time on Reddit's r/day trading, joins niche Discord trading groups, and subscribes to thought leaders on Substack. These aren't just water cooler chats, they're valuable for sentiment, alerts, and catching trends before they hit mainstream. A good Discord can be like having a trading floor in your pocket. So, let's wrap this up with Alex's parting advice. Don't go tool crazy. Master the core tools first and expand slowly. More tools don't mean more success. Quality and fit matter more than quantity. Your strategy should dictate your tools, not the other way around. If you're a scalper, latency is critical, so you need a fast broker and real-time feeds. If you're a swing trader, broader market context and earnings data become more important. And no matter what, revisit your toolkit regularly. What worked in 2020 might not work in 2025. And always document. The market doesn't reward the smartest. It rewards the most adaptable. Before you go, if you want to take your toolkit to the next level, check out crystalballmarkets.com, a cutting-edge, user-friendly trading platform app designed for traders of every level. And if you're hungry for more insights, strategies, and real-world trading talk, head over to our podcast archive. We dive deep into algorithmic trading, psychology, and everything in between. You've been listening to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia. Until next time, keep your edge sharp and your trade smarter.